In mathematics, there's something called order of operations. So take for example, you have a question to work with. And in that question, you have a lot of numbers and a lot of symbols. Symbols such as division, multiplication, additions, and the likes. And you are to perform that operation. There is a specific order you must follow in order to solve that problem correctly. And to help us remember this order, we use the acronym BODMAS. By acronym, I mean an abbreviation where each of those order of operations, we've used the first letter in the name of that operation to signify what it means. So when we have BODMAS, each of these letters have a meaning. So that is, we have B, which stands for bracket. Then we have O, which stands for other. Then D, which stands for division. We have M, which stands for multiplication. We have A, which stands for addition. And then S, which stands for subtraction. So when you have a math problem that has the symbols for these operations, the order of operation to follow is to ensure that you solve all brackets first, then the others, that is where you have exponents or you are having a fraction into a whole number. Then the next thing is division in that order of operation. And then we have multiplication, addition, and then finally subtraction. So don't forget, BODMAS is an acronym that helps you to remember the order of operation in mathematics. Thank you.